chainsaws tearing through massive trunks, 400 horsepower tractors dragging tons of timber through mud-soaked slopes, trucks hauling logs that weigh more than houses. This is industrial logging at the absolute edge of mechanical capability, where one miscalculation means disaster. Let's witness the power. The Husqvarna 550 XP Mark II. The journey begins with the Husqvarna 550 XP Mark II chainsaw, capable of easily felling massive trees with its powerful design and exceptional performance. This chainsaw is the ideal tool for heavy-duty woodcutting tasks that require high precision. Modern chainsaws generate horsepower to weight ratios that would have been impossible a generation ago. The 550 XP delivers cutting power while maintaining enough control for operators to make precision cuts on trees weighing several tons. The engine runs at optimal RPM ranges that maximize chain speed without excessive vibration. But the chainsaw is just the beginning. Once trees are felled, they must be transported. And that's where the real machinery takes over. The Timber Pro TL735D. With the goal of optimizing woodcutting tasks, the Timber Pro TL735D, featuring a 174 horsepower engine paired with specialized cutting heads, forms the ideal duo for cutting hardwood. The machine is equipped with an advanced control system providing powerful and flexible operation, ensuring precise and efficient woodcutting and optimizing work productivity. Timber processors like the TL735D revolutionized logging by combining multiple functions into a single machine. The hydraulic cutting head grips logs, measures diameter, and makes cuts at programmed intervals. Operators work from climate-controlled cabs with joystick controls that provide millimeter-level precision when handling timber weighing thousands of pounds. The processing speed is remarkable. A skilled operator can process dozens of logs per hour, transforming raw timber into standardized lengths ready for transport to mills. The Quadco 27SC. To enhance work efficiency, the TL755D, equipped with the Quadco 27SC weighing nearly 10,000 pounds, offers stable and effective handling of large heads. With its fast speed, powerful performance, and ability to minimize breakdowns, the machine ensures exceptional productivity, helping complete tasks quickly and accurately. Cutting heads represent the business end of timber processes. The Quadco 27SC features hardened steel components designed to withstand constant impact and abrasion. Hydraulic motors drive the cutting mechanisms with enough force to shear through wood fiber like butter. And replaceable blade systems mean downtime for maintenance is measured in minutes, not hours. The weight isn't excessive, it's engineered. That 10,000-pound mass provides momentum that helps the cutting head power through dense wood without stalling. The TT4 Beast. Nothing can stop the power of the TT4. This is a true beast ready to become a hero in tough situations. The image of this powerful machine pulling a stuck truck loaded with tons of wood in harsh conditions proves its exceptional strength. Recovery operations in logging reveal what equipment is truly capable of. When conventional trucks get stuck in mud, operators call in tracked vehicles like the TT4. The continuous tracks distribute weight across large surface areas, providing traction where wheels would simply spin uselessly. The TT4's engine generates torque at low RPMs specifically designed for pulling, and the hydraulic winch systems can apply tens of thousands of pounds of force gradually, preventing shock loads that would snap cables or damage equipment. The Z131 Stalker. Witnessing this scene leaves you speechless. The Z131 Stalker is conquering treacherous forest terrain. Do you think it can overcome these challenges? Purpose-built forest tractors like the Z131 Stalker navigate terrain that would be impassable for conventional vehicles. Articulated steering allows the front and rear sections to pivot independently. Ground clearance measured in feet prevents high centering on stumps and rocks. And all-wheel drive with locking differentials ensures power reaches whichever wheels have traction. The real magic is in the suspension. Independent suspension on each wheel absorbs impacts that would shake conventional vehicles apart. Operators can maintain productivity across terrain that looks more like an obstacle course than a road. The 400 horsepower wood hauler. With its exceptional power, the TT4 equipped with a 400 horsepower engine is operating strongly, hauling wood across rugged mountain terrain. Its specially designed tracks, which enhance traction, allow the machine to easily navigate slippery paths, delivering optimal efficiency in wood transportation. 400 horsepower in a tracked vehicle translates to unstoppable momentum. The engine produces maximum torque at the exact RPM range needed for climbing steep grades while fully loaded. Computer-controlled fuel injection ensures efficiency even under maximum load conditions. The tracks themselves are engineering marvels. Steel-reinforced rubber compounds resist tearing on sharp rocks. Grouser patterns dig into soft soil and mud, and the track tension systems automatically adjust to maintain optimal contact with the ground regardless of terrain. The Kögel loading system. The Kögel machine, equipped with a 250 horsepower engine, is loading wood into the cargo hold quickly and efficiently. With its powerful and flexible lifting capacity, the machine ensures safe wood transportation and helps optimize the process during operation. Self-loading timber trucks represent the pinnacle of logging efficiency. The hydraulic crane mounted behind the cab can lift logs weighing several tons and position them precisely onto the truck bed. Operators control multiple hydraulic functions simultaneously, extending the boom, rotating the grapple, and adjusting the angle, all while maintaining load balance. The Doosan DH910 system. Have you ever witnessed the perfect combination of these machines? The Doosan DH910 SA wood chipper paired with a truck and Volvo wheel loader forms a powerful duo in wood processing. The high-performance chipper easily shreds wood while the truck and wheel loader assist in transporting and lifting material quickly. Wood chipping operations require coordination between multiple machines. The wheel loader feeds material into the chipper's intake. The chipper's rotating drum, spinning at hundreds of RPM, throws wood against hardened steel knives that slice it into uniform chips. And the truck positions itself to catch the stream of chips blowing from the discharge chute. The production rate is staggering. A properly configured system can process dozens of tons of wood per hour, transforming slash piles and waste wood into usable chips for paper mills or biomass power plants. The Kopala 735 wood handler. The Kögel 735 wood handler turns a tough job into a satisfying experience. With its powerful performance and exceptional efficiency, the machine effortlessly handles hardwood, boosting productivity and reducing stress for the operator. Purpose-built wood handlers feature specialized grapples designed specifically for log handling. The hydraulic tines close with controlled force, enough to grip logs securely without crushing them. Rotation systems allow operators to orient logs for optimal stacking. And load-sensing hydraulics prevent damage to equipment even when handling maximum capacity. The overloaded dump truck. This dump truck is facing issues while transporting over 22,000 pounds of overloaded wood, struggling with mobility. Immediate assistance is needed to overcome this challenge and help the truck continue its journey safely and efficiently. Overloading is a persistent problem in logging operations. The economic pressure to maximize payload per trip conflicts with vehicle design limits and road regulations. When trucks exceed capacity, suspension systems bottom out. Brakes overheat on descents. And traction suffers because weight distribution shifts beyond optimal ranges. Recovery operations for overloaded trucks require careful planning. Offloading some cargo. Winching assistance from support vehicles, and sometimes waiting for ground conditions to improve before attempting to move. Every delay costs money, but pushing overloaded equipment until it fails costs even more. The Scania V8 powerhouse. Be amazed by the 500 horsepower truck weighing 154,000 pounds capable of transporting several tons of wood to the processing plant. The powerful engine allows for swift movement across difficult terrain, optimizes transportation, and saves both time and costs. Scania's V8 engines represent the gold standard for heavy timber hauling. The engine configuration produces smooth power delivery with minimal vibration even under full load. Turbocharging and intercooling maintain horsepower even at high altitude, and transmission systems with 12 or more gears ensure the engine operates in optimal RPM ranges, whether climbing mountains or cruising highways. The weight isn't a limitation, it's a feature. That mass provides momentum that carries the truck through soft spots where lighter vehicles would bog down. And the suspension systems, featuring multiple axles with load leveling capabilities, distribute weight to prevent road damage while maintaining stability. The Extreme Skidder LKT 81T. Have you ever seen such a small yet incredibly powerful vehicle? The Extreme Skidder LKT 81T demonstrates that size doesn't determine capability in logging operations. Compact skidders like the LKT 81T specialize in selective logging operations where large equipment can't maneuver. The articulated frame allows sharp turning in tight spaces. The winch system can pull logs from locations the machine itself can't reach. And the power-to-weight ratio ensures the skidder can extract timber without getting stuck itself. The operational philosophy differs from large-scale logging. Instead of clear cutting and mass hauling, selective logging requires precision extraction of individual trees while minimizing damage to surrounding forest. The LKT81T excels in this niche, combining power with maneuverability. From Husqvarna chainsaws felling massive trees to 400 horsepower tracked vehicles hauling timber across mountain terrain. This is industrial logging at maximum capacity, where mechanical power meets engineering precision, where operators manage equipment worth millions while working in environments that would destroy conventional machinery. The chainsaw starts the process. The processor cuts logs to length. The skidder drags timber to the landing zone. The loader stacks it onto trucks. The chipper processes waste. And the trucks haul everything to mills where trees become lumber, paper, and 1,000 other products. Every step requires specialized equipment operating at the edge of mechanical possibility. Engines producing hundreds of horsepower. Hydraulic systems generating thousands of pounds of force. Tracks and tires designed for terrain that would be impassable otherwise. And behind every machine, an operator with years of experience. Reading terrain, anticipating equipment behavior, making split-second decisions that determine whether the job proceeds safely or ends in disaster. This is logging in the 21st century, where tradition meets technology, where muscle power gave way to diesel engines and hydraulics, but where skill, experience, and respect for the forest remain as essential as ever.